Dragons and humans.
Once upon a time, there was a small village surrounded by tall mountains. The villagers lived simple lives, but they always heard rumors about dragons living in the mountains. Despite their fear, they went about their daily routines, tending to their crops and livestock. One day, a young boy named Timmy decided to explore the mountains. He wanted to see if the rumors about dragons were true. Timmy walked for hours and finally came across a dragon lying on the ground. The dragon was injured and unable to fly. Timmy approached the dragon, not knowing if it would be dangerous or not. To Timmy's surprise, the dragon was not dangerous at all. It was grateful for Timmy's help and soon became his friend. Timmy named the dragon Sparky and took him back to the village. The villagers were afraid of Sparky at first, but Timmy showed them that he was friendly and kind. The villagers soon learned to love Sparky and he became a popular member of the village. Sparky and Timmy went on many adventures together in the mountains. They explored caves, found hidden waterfalls, and even climbed to the top of the tallest mountain. The villagers were happy to see Timmy and Sparky having so much fun. They would often tell stories about their adventures to the other villagers. One day, Sparky became homesick for the mountains. He missed the freedom of flying and the fresh air. Timmy understood and helped Sparky return to his home in the mountains. The villagers were sad to see Sparky go, but they knew he had to return to where he belonged. Timmy visited Sparky in the mountains often and they remained best friends forever. The villagers learned that even the most scary things, like dragons, can become good friends if given a chance. They lived happily ever after, always remembering Sparky and the adventures they shared. Years went by and the village grew and prospered. The villagers had many children, who grew up hearing stories about Timmy and Sparky's adventures. These stories inspired them to explore the mountains for themselves and to look for their own dragon friends. One day, a young girl named Sarah found a baby dragon in the mountains. Just like Timmy and Sparky, Sarah and the baby dragon became friends. Sarah named the baby dragon Flame and took her back to the village. The villagers were surprised to see a dragon in their village once again, but they soon learned to love Flame just as they had loved Sparky. Sarah and Flame went on many adventures together, just like Timmy and Sparky had. The villagers were happy to see a new generation of adventurers and dragon friends. They lived happily ever after, always remembering Timmy, Sparky, Sarah, and Flame and the adventures they shared. And so, the villagers learned that dragons are not to be feared, but to be cherished as friends. They will always remember the special bond between humans and dragons that was formed in their village. The mountains, the dragons, and the village will always be intertwined in their hearts and in their stories.